Refrigerated centrifuges are vital lab tools for separating substances based on density. They maintain a controlled temperature, crucial for temperature-sensitive samples like proteins and cell cultures. Speed range. The speed of a refrigerated centrifuge typically ranges from 1,000 to 16,000 RPA, with some high-speed models reaching up to 30,000 RPA. The specific speed depends on the sample type and the desired outcome. Factors influencing speed: particle size and density. Larger particles require lower speeds. Viscosity. Higher viscosity mediums may need higher speeds. Resolution. For finer separations, higher speeds are necessary. Choosing the right speed. 1. Sample type. Different samples need different speeds. 2. Goals. Define your separation goals clearly. 3. Equipment specs. Ensure the centrifuge can accommodate the required speed and temperature. Optimizing speed maximizes efficiency and maintains sample stability. Understanding the speed capabilities of a refrigerated centrifuge is crucial for effective lab workflows and reliable results. Choose the right speed for your needs. Want to learn more? Contact me via my homepage email for personalized recommendations. I'll respond within 24 hours.